Hi everyone, my name is Madina Chionidi. I'm a senior character artist in the video games industry, where I've been working on AAA titles for the past 5 years. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to construct this jacket in Marvel's Designer 6. Starting from scratch, we're going through several techniques and tricks to reach the result shown here in the final renders. I'm going through my workflow step by step with concise commentary regarding each stage of the process. The information covered is suitable for both absolute beginners and intermediate level users of Marvel's Designer. It includes beginner level topics such as UI, navigation, basic tools and initial pattern setup, but also goes into more depth with topics such as garment layering, use of symmetry, seam taping, layer cloning, internal line tools and more. When you complete this tutorial, you'll hopefully get enough knowledge to construct any garment of similar complexity, ready to be taken further into other applications and optimized for game or film production.